Alright, today we're going to bring a scraper, and I got this metal one because I'm going to show you what happened to my other one. Alright, this is the old one I had. It broke. It's made of plastic. You guys can see some of the edges. This is the furthest I can go without touching the water because it broke off, but I need to scrape some of it off. You'll see it right now in action. So let me go ahead and put together, like, first of all, they give you the actual system itself, extender, and extra blades. All right, because you are going to need blades. They're in here, and you set them up in the front, and that's pretty much it. There's a tie down in here with a screw. You see that? And it's hand tied, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's go ahead and start scraping with it. So we're going to extend the actual rod a little bit deeper than that. So the way you do it, just twist in here, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to try to see if we can scrape as. I'm going to leave it as is with this one. So let me see. So I won't lose it. I'm just gonna put it all together. All you gotta do is scrape it. So if you guys can see this part right here, that's all you gotta do. Just go down, scrape it. Look at that. Comes out easy because it's a new blade. It's gonna come out easy, and you can see it really good how it's working. Let me get you guys closer. So whenever you're scraping, look at this. That's all you gotta do. Scrape it down. Look at this one right here. Get that algae out. Get it nice and clear. Start from the top. Work your way out. So I'm going to do the whole thing right now. Let me put you guys down for a bit. I'm going to do the side so you guys can see it working. Alright. So I'm going to try to see if I could do this as much as I can here. Look at this clear. Love this thing. It's gone all the way down. Just gotta move the camera. You can see it, how clean it is doing it. And of course, gotta control it. So let me move you guys on the other side. And that's it. So look at all that. It's crazy. Love this thing. It's long, perfect for, this is a 39 gallon fish tank. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.